Hey guys, so this is Marina, and I'm back with something special for you today. I am excited for Christmas. I know it's a bit far away still, we're still in November, but I feel because of this whole thing from 2020, I think we need some joy, and I was really excited to do some decorations for Christmas. I really wanted to do Christmas ornaments for the Christmas tree and a Christmas wreath. First, I found this kind of decoration for a flower bouquet. I found it in the flower shop and I thought it was really cute. I think it's used to put in a flower pot or a bouquet, so I just decided to buy it. I just removed the stick that it has, and I used some sandpaper to make it smooth. And after, I decided to paint it white because I felt like it would be the kind of style that I was going for, with a lot of white ornaments mixed with red and golden ornaments. So I used gouache. Maybe it's not the best kind of paint for you to use, but I just wanted to use something that I already had at home. I didn't want to buy a lot of supplies, so if I could use something from home, it would be best. And I bought this golden pen. It was not the best because it took such a long time for the ink to come out, but once it did, it was too much, so I had to use a brush to paint it. So I would recommend buying an actual golden paint, so I think it would be best. But I liked the outcome. I thought it was really nice. It's kind of a rustic look. It's not perfect, but I really liked it. This was the easiest ornament. You just need some pine cone and some ribbons maybe, or just the pine cone would be fine. I did a few just a pine cone and others with pine cones with the ribbons. And then you just need some string to tie it around so you can hang on your tree. So this paper ornament, I took a very beautiful kind of paper red and golden color. I wanted to do this kind of pom-pom ornaments that they open. It's really cute. I don't know how to explain that, but what would you do is you cut circles and fold it in half and then glue them back to back until you make it sort of a folding ball, which you can make any kinds of other different shapes, which is really fun, but I just stick with the simple one. Then again, used some strings to be able to hang them on the tree. I don't know how many I used. I just saw how many would be enough to make it a cool effect. And that was it. It's not really perfect, but I don't know, once I hanged it on the tree, it looks really nice. Not perfect, but yeah, I had fun doing that. And then the clay ornament was the one that I was excited about. I know that there's a lot of other kinds of clays. This one, you have to use an oven. I know that there's some you can air dry them, but this one you should use an oven. And I had this kind of cookie frames that I bought, and I loved it because there are like doxy shapes, which for Mingo, I had to buy it. After that, you just put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes in 130 degrees Celsius. And after, I also painted in white, and I used the golden pen to write and do some doodles. I actually really, really liked the outcome. I had a lot of fun, and the doxy was just the best part for me. Now the paper house ornament was really cute also, and very easy to make. So what you do is you cut a very thin, maybe 5 centimeters, and very long piece of paper. I marked the parts that I had to fold to make the wall, to make the frame of the house. And after you fold it, you can actually make the frame as if it was a house, and you need to glue the two bottom parts together. And I used this golden paper once again, so I drew some Christmas trees. They were just very simple. And after, what you need to do is you need to fold the bottom part of the tree so you can glue inside of the frame and make it sort of like a Christmas picture inside of a house frame. And after that, I decided to put a banner in front of the house to write some cute message of happiness and hope and things like that. And then I put also a string so that I could hang on the tree. So yeah, happiness. I decided to do a Christmas wreath. I bought real pine branches at a flower shop. And I bought already a frame for that, which is really useful. I think is the best way you can do. And you can just stick the small branches into it. and I sort of used some string to wrap around so it can secure the branches. But honestly, as I was doing it, I felt like I didn't need to use some string to secure it, because it felt really secure. There were so many branches inside of this wreath. And that was the final product. It was really simple. I didn't want to overdo it. I just run it a simple, a natural wreath. That's it. Thank you for watching.